Hi everyone, Babs and Louie here at point number 8 on the Voices of Freedom Black History walking tour, and here we are at Fort Mississauga. This was built because they had to build another fort because Fort George had been almost totally destroyed by the Americans, so the British had to build another fort. They chose this location right across, very strategic, from Fort Niagara over there, but it had to be built fast. So who did they send in to build it? The Coloured Corps. Richard Pierpoint had formed the Coloured Corps during the War of 1812. As he said, it was a troop of coloured men ready to defend and fight for freedom and defend the British frontier. They were also very good at what they did. Years of bondage had ensured that so many of them were skilled tradesmen. So the British used them for engineering and construction work. They were sent in here and they dug all the trenches here and all the stone outer wall, and then the war ended. So it was 1814, it was over. The Coloured Corps disbanded and nothing else got built. They'd started on the stone tower, they started on the powder magazine and the barracks. Nothing else really got completed. So today this fort stands as a rare historical military landmark, but it's also a testament to the dedication, the hard work and the fight for freedom of the Coloured Corps. I'll see you at point number 9, Daniel Waters Cottage.